the Wisdom Era online classes. Myself Navdini. I am taking the subject English for grade 5th. Yes, my dear children, yesterday in previous class we discussed the story related to the seed. Up to the person who has selected this seed very carefully. See here, today I have to recall you once again the story, the seed. See, in China there lived a wise emperor. His dark bread had turned into the color of new fallen snow. Here he wanted to choose a new successor because of he already aged persons. After that the emperor went to top of the mountain. When they arrived, the emperor seated on the magnificent throne. He announced that it is time to choose the next emperor. What he announced that? It is the time to choose the next emperor. And he continued his announcement. What is that? Today, each of you will take a seat. In 1 year, you will bring your plant to the temple. Right? He announced that everyone will take a seat. In 1 year, will bring your plant to the temple. After, there is one golden bowl. That golden bowl has filled with the seeds. And that bowl was set before the crowd. And each person took just one seed. Here, young man also, the young man name is John. He also took one seed very carefully. What happens after he selected his seed? That seed will be grow or not? That seed will be germinated or not? Let us discuss in today's class. Okay, my dears? Let us start the today's class. Yes. See you. First, I read out the lesson. Listen carefully. Holding it tightly in his fist, he ran home to tell his mother. She listened to the story and gave him a beautiful blue and white porcelain bowl. Chen placed pebbles and then soil in the bowl and tenderly planted his seed. Each day Chen carefully watered the seed. He watched and waited. But nothing happened. Others talked about their plants that were pushing up through the soil. Weeks passed and still Chen's seed did not sprout up. Something wrong, Chen thought, but he did not give up and kept watering his seed. Other men in the village were transplanting their original plants into bigger containers. Chen thought he must have done something wrong. He prayed in the temple for a miracle. 6 months went by and still nothing grew in his blue and white bowl. Could I have killed my seed with too much water? He wondered. All around in the village there were containers filled with wonderful looking plants. But Chen's seed had not yet sprouted. The 1 year mark arrived and it was time to carry the plants up the mountain to the temple. See, my dear students, holding it tightly in his fist, it means that the Chen was hold his seed in his fist very tightly. Fist means this is called a fist. He hold his seed very tightly in his fist. After, he ran home to tell his mother. He ran very forcefully to the home and tell to the mother the story had happened in the temple. She listened to the story and gave him a beautiful blue and white porcelain bowl. The mother listened to a story told by the Chen and she gave him a beautiful blue and white porcelain bowl. My dear seer, porcelain means hard substance by making clay. Porcelain means hard substance made by baking clay. It means that used for making cups, plates and bowls. Okay. Next, Chen placed pebbles and then soil in the bowl and tenderly planted his seed. Here Chen placed pebbles and soil in the bowl. Pebbles means you already seen that small smooth stones found at bottom of the beach or river. That is, the stone will be rounded, smooth stone that will be found in the at the bottom of the beach or river. He placed pebbles and then soil in the bowl and tenderly planted his seed. Here tenderly means smooth, soft or mildly. He placed his seed very tenderly. After each day Churn carefully watered the seed. After Churn was carefully watered the seed day by day. He watched and waited. He watching daily. But nothing happened. That the seed could not be sprouted. Others talked about their plants that were pushing up through the soil. Here other people talked that their plants that were pushing up through the soil. Weeks passed and still Churn's seed did not sprout out. Weeks passed, that is 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. The Churn's seed did not sprout out. Weeks are passed, but Churn's seed did not sprout out. After something's wrong, Churn thought. Churn would become very sadly. He thought that there is something wrong. But he did not give up and kept watering his seed. He did not give up. The Churn did not keep quiet. He kept watering his seed day by day. Next, see here. Other men in the village were transplanting their original plants into bigger containers. Other men in the village, that is, other peoples in the village, transplanting their original plants into bigger containers. Their plants will be transplanted into the bigger containers. Churn thought he must have done something wrong. Churn thought that I have done something wrong in that, so that the seed did not sprout out. Churn prayed in the temple for a miracle. Here he refers to the Churn. Churn prayed in the temple for a miracle. Miracle means unbelievable happening. Correct? Next. 6 months went by. That is 6 months already completed. And still nothing grew in this blue and white bowl. 6 months completed, but still nothing grew in the blue and white bowl. Churn thought that could I have killed my seed with too much water? He wondered. Churn wondered that could have killed my seed with too much water? He wondered. All around in the village there were containers filled with wonderful looking plants. He wondered that all around in the village there were containers filled with wonderful looking plants. He seeing by other plants, he was very wondered about others plants that were looking very beautifully. After that, but Churn's seed had not sprouted. Here Churn's had not yet sprouted. Churn's seed had not yet sprouted. The 1 year mark arrived and it was time to carry the plants up the mountain to the hill. Here 1 year already completed. I told you in yesterday's class, that is, after 1 year everyone will bring your plant to the temple, right? Now the 1 year already completed, so that it is the time to carry the plants of the mountain to the temple. It is the good time to carry the plants of the mountain to the temple. These lines were said by the emperor to the peoples of the village. Right, my dears? I hope you understand today's my class. What happened in today's class? What the story we learned in this class? That is, here Churn was very sadly because of his seed could not sprout out. Why? In tomorrow's class, why that seed will be not germinated? Let us discuss in the tomorrow's class. Thanking you.